Howdy guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Auntie Tay. If you guys are new here, that's who I am, and if you're not, welcome back. Today we are gonna be doing patterned vinyl lids. Now, lids like cup lids, Starbucks lids, and the Target koozie lids. We have like koozies that go with all of this stuff. So check out my tutorials if you wanna know how to dress up your cup. I know it's a weird world we live in right now where we're dressing up our cups, but that's just who we are and that's what we love to do. So today we are going to use Auntie Tay patterned vinyl with a cutting machine. Any cutting machine will work, with an SVG from our member files to make the perfect patterned vinyl cups. We have patterned vinyl on shopauntietay.com. If you are a member to auntietay.com, which is my crafting membership, we also have some other memberships. Check those out if you're interested in being an entrepreneur and other things. We're gonna be using that patterned vinyl, but you can also get a coupon code if you're a member to all of my crafting products. You get 20% off all products. All right, let's get going. All right guys, we're gonna be using my patterned vinyl that you can get on shopauntietay.com, and I pre-cut these down to just a little bit bigger than the lids that I'm going to be using. I will show you a few different lids that I am doing. We have SVGs for all of these, and a fun hack, and this goes for anything that you're cutting. If you're using the same type of material, you can cut on one mat. I think that most people know this if you've been using your Cricut for a while. It is one of those a little bit more advanced hacks, but you basically just use multiple colors and then set your design up so that it cuts more than one time. And I have it set to cut 6. Now this is just a simple circle with a little circle in the center for the target top, and we have an SVG that fits a couple different tops that you'll see in this video. But this is the Target cup, and I'm obsessed with this cup, and this really is just the only really easy one because it's just a circle, and I don't remember the exact size that you need, so I will put it in the description of this video so that you know what to resize each template to, but we will come out with more tops as we go on. Okay, this one is the reusable Starbucks lid, and this one's a little slanted, so I like to just work my way from the center of the hole to the outside and then work any bubbles out. And patterned vinyl is cut just the same way that vinyl is, so I usually just put it on the vinyl setting. Okay, then the next round is not just a circle, it's a circle with a little sliver in it, so you need to make sure that that sliver doesn't come up with it. I'm gonna peel that off so I don't accidentally peel it up with the whole circle. So I'm just gonna get that out of the way, and then I'm gonna peel this up, and this has actually a slit in it so that you can pull it apart, and that just helps with applying it perfectly onto the Starbucks cup. So I'm just gonna start halfway in the middle. So just find the middle line and kind of put that down first perfectly, and then I'm just going to slowly work one side at a time, making sure that it's nice and straight and guiding that gap so that it's the same on both sides. And then this is also slanted, so I just work the bubbles out evenly, going towards the outside. And I'm just going to pull this up. I kind of tacked it down so that it wasn't getting in my way, and I'm going to line this up like so and make it perfect, and then I'm gonna work my way around the circle so that it well, no, I'm not. I'm going to undo this, and then I'm gonna work it all the way around. The most important part is that the slit isn't exposed, so that this can cover it up just a little bit, and then that is simple as that. Obviously it's not as easy as the Target cup, but once you get it down, it's pretty cool because you can do so many different cups, and you can match them to your koozies, or you can match them to your actual vinyl on the outside of your cup. But I'm just going to show you guys a few more, and you can just see all the different ones that I did. And obviously I'll be making these, so follow me on Instagram if you want to see any more that I make. And if you want any of these patterns, I have them on shopauntietay.com. We have over 200 printable, or they're not printable, they are patterned vinyl as well as HTV.
I think you're better.